Number 240, a regular octagon has a perimeter of 576 centimeters. What is the length of one side? Okay, so let's draw a regular octagon. So that means uh, octagon with equal sides. So regular means all the sides are congruent. So if we draw the octagon, so we have octagon, so that means 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is the regular octagon. The perimeter is equal to 576 centimeters. So perimeter, so that means the total the total distance around a polygon or around this octagon. Since the given is it is a regular octagon, so that means all the sides are equal. So let x be the sides. So that means all the sides are x. Okay? So that means the perimeter of this regular octagon is 8 times x because it has 8 sides. Okay? So 8x. The question is, what is the length of one side? So given the perimeter is 576, so let's substitute 576 to this perimeter P. So therefore, we have 576 is equal to 8x. To solve the length, the value of x of this equation, all we have to do is divide both sides by 8. So therefore, the value of x is, just divide manually. So we have 576 divided by 8. So 57 divided by 8, that is equal to 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract, so we have 1. Bring down 6. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. So therefore, the answer is 72 centimeters. So the answer is letter B. Follow me for more content like this.